Hello and welcome back to a brand new video on my channel, where today's video is going to be pretty short, but that's the whole point of it. As you can see, I've only got like half my makeup on. I've got my bronzer on, and that's because the next step that I need to do in my makeup routine is what this video is going to be about. So this video is literally going to be how to contour your nose in less than a minute. So that's why this video is going to be short, because that's kind of the whole point of it. It's supposed to be short. So I'm going to take my Revolution bronzer Reloaded in the shade Long Weekend, and I've also got this brush here. I did mention this in another video, but I only kind of like brushed over it, so I want to do like a full dedicated video to this because I think it's really easy. And like I was always like dead like, oh my god, I don't even know how to contour my nose, so I never did. But it's actually really easy, like, and this takes less than a minute and anyone can do it. So I've got a brush that just looks like this. It's the Beige Shadow brush from Real Techniques, and I'm just going to dip it into my bronzer, and then I'm just going to draw two lines down this either side of my nose, just like this. They can be quite harsh lines because we are going to blend them out. So there's one look, and then I'm just going to do the same to the other side. Oh, my angle's a bit funny. And then that's the two lines done. Like you can see that they're really quite harsh, but it's fine because we're going to blend them out. And then at the bottom, I'm just going to do like a little curvy thing and then bring the bronzer down the bottom of my nose. And now I'm going to sneeze. I'm going to take my two fingers and I'm just going to rub along where I've put the bronzer, just like this. And that's blending it out as we speak. Doing that action is going to blend it out. And because I've got quite a full coverage foundation on, it's fine because it doesn't take off the foundation either. And then there you have it. Your nose is contoured in less than a minute. It's the easiest way that I've found to contour my makeup, and it just really helps. Like it does actually create quite a nice illusion to my nose. And then I will just take some highlight and run it there. I'll just do that now. And then I'll just take my highlight and pop it in the middle of where I've contoured my nose, just to create that illusion. So in that line that's left in the middle, I'm just going to pop that. And then on the little pointy bit of my nose as well. And there we go. My nose is contoured in less than 1 minute. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video soon.